Hey everybody, today we're taking a look at this 20-inch piece of carry-on luggage by NINETYGO. Let's get right into it. So first things first, it does come in this nice solid cardboard box. And once you open the box, you notice the luggage is shipped in a nice thick protective bag to prevent any scratches or damage during shipping. Now first impression right out of the box, really nice. I'm digging this fabric right here on the exterior pocket. That's a nice touch. We've got a real nice finish and color, and they got a variety of different colors to fit your personal style. On this here, it does not look cheap by any means, and it's a nice hard shell case too. And of course, we got 4 roller wheels that move smooth and quietly too. We got some really nice handles on the top and side that are really grippable, as well as a telescoping handle, but we'll look at some more of this closer. Now on the top, you're going to notice that we got a built-in combination lock that is TSA approved, and on top of that, it's able to lock the exterior pocket as well as the main compartment. Yes, you can set that combination to whatever you want. There's a nice touch here. You can also see that the zipper handle for this piece is curved around the corner, so that makes it lock into place really nice and easily. And there's actually a really nice finish on these zipper handles too. So if you want to unlock anything, the left side here opens up the exterior pocket like so. Slide the one on the right side, that's going to open up the main compartment right there. Now here's a nice feature when you open up the top pocket, is it has some keepers here on both sides that allow it to only open up to 45 degrees. That's great if you have your luggage here in vertical, just like I do right now, that it doesn't flop and hit the floor or anything else. But you can choose whether you want it to open all the way or not. So there's a couple buttons along with some Velcro on both sides, and then you're able to open the pocket all the way up like this. So this is great still if it's in vertical, and now you have more access to your different pockets and stuff that's in here. Or if you're going to lay this back, right, maybe you're packing, you're getting ready, now you have more access to your area. With that being said, lots of pockets, lots of storage. You got your laptop compartment right here. This is a 14-inch MacBook Pro, plenty of space. You can easily fit a 16-inch in here. You can fit up to a 13-inch tablet of any sort here into this pocket. We still have some additional space here on top and around the sides. Plus you've got your mesh pockets down here. So if you're going to bring any additional, books, devices, charging units, right, you can store all of this stuff right in here. Same thing, bring a book for good measure, put that in there and close it up. Look at that, easily closed, nice and tight. And then the interior portion on the left-hand side, we got a buckle and some straps to hold your different clothing back and prevent it from falling out. Yes, on the right-hand side, you have a top zip here where you might put like your socks, your underwear, or any other loose items that are smaller. And then on the inside, plenty of storage space for your clothing and other bits and pieces. So at the end of the day, this is a nice piece of luggage for a carry-on size bag. Plenty of storage on the inside for all of your clothing, perfect for a quick trip or a weekend getaway. But on the external pocket, plenty of quick, easily accessible storage for all of your devices and whatnot. But the devil's in the details with all the finishes here, the zippers and their finishes and the way that they mesh together. We got the nice roller wheels and the high quality handles along with the telescoping handle. Makes this a nice premium quality bag at the price point.